Insight 2. The decade of living dangerously, or the soaring 40s. It's in our 40s that living costs typically start to really soar. Mortgage, kids, school fees, the list goes on. It's also the age when the incidence of people suffering a serious illness or injury starts to soar dramatically. Almost 70% of trauma insurance claims are made by people in their 40s. It's also the age when many people let their insurance lapse, which is the exact opposite of what they should be doing. It's like flying your family into a storm and unfastening your seatbelts. Insurance is much more complicated than people think. That's why the DIY insurance path is so littered with disasters. And there's so much at stake. If you don't already have an integrated life protection plan, then it's time to get one. From a professional advisor with the expertise and experience to get it right and keep it right.